Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, February 15, 2024. Fourth star Sudoku. Column C, fifth row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come any one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, fifth grade, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column G, fourth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Ninth row, column B, we have pair numbers 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, 9 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column G, column H, we have pair numbers 2, 5, 9, so 2, 5, 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Ninth row, we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Seventh row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here, then only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 7th row, column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 8th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 7th row, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 8, so 1 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 6, column C, we have 3 and 6, so 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8, second row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, column E, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column E, first row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column D, first row and third row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. First row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. First grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column A, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then first grade, column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. Then 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then first row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column E and 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column I, 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.